Welcome. If you're looking to find the Reels page on the Instagram app while using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, accessing Reels on your computer is easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps so you can start exploring endless creative videos right from your desktop. First, open your web browser and go to the Instagram website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll notice the interface looks a bit different from the mobile app, but it's still user-friendly and intuitive. Take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a vertical menu with several icons. Among these, you'll find the Reels icon. It looks like a small clapperboard. Click on this icon to open the dedicated Reels page. Now you're on the Reels page. This section is filled with short, engaging videos from creators all around the world. You can scroll through the feed to discover trending content, entertainment, tutorials, and much more. Each reel will play automatically as you browse, giving you a seamless viewing experience. If you find a reel you enjoy, you can interact with it just like you would on your phone. Use the icons to like, comment, or share the video with friends. If you want to save a reel for later, simply click the bookmark icon. You can also explore more content from a creator by clicking on their profile right from the reel. The Reels page on PC now offers nearly all the features you're used to on mobile, making it convenient to enjoy Instagram's creative side from any device. Whether you're looking for inspiration, entertainment, or just want to see what's trending, the Reels page is your go-to spot. That's all it takes. Open Instagram on your PC, click the Reels icon in the left menu, and start browsing. Dive in and enjoy the world of Reels, right from your desktop.